Stanky Rich, Stupid Rich, Kate, Mr. Moneybags, Ballin, Loaded, Whale, Fat Cat, Bling Bling, Deep Pockets. You want it, you need it, but you don't have it. Until now. All those dreams of having that magical cash cow channel or business are about to come true. Today. For free. We've all heard that hard work is the key to success. But I'm here now to tell you that there's a shortcut that will transform you into a successful motherfucker overnight. For the whole world to see. A shortcut that will enable you to expel the narcissistic, egoistic, self-centered beast that is desperately trying to emerge from you and boast about something, anything. A shortcut loved and used by all the money-making gurus out there. A shortcut that doesn't need any more introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Inspect Element. Inspect Element is the true key to success. This technology, which is used and adored by internet gurus from all over the world, may instantly turn you from zero to a motherfucking hero. This is how my channel used to look. It looks much better now, thanks to the Inspect Element. But there's more. Does your balance look anything like this? Don't you worry. Inspect Element's got your back. Estimates from Social Blade. No problem. Make sure to blur out any names under the pretext of keeping your cash cow safe. And just for educational purpose only, and always choose a picture instead of a screenshot. Follow these simple rules and you're good to go. Golden, the magic boy. Now you can be just another turd promoting its success, selling courses and eating shit. Because now you have the proof. You now have Inspect Element.
For safety purposes and to avoid being ridiculed by the rest of the world, be careful when hitting refresh.